What do you got?
Food in my purse.
Food in your purse behind your back?
Yep.
Why is it behind your back?
It's gotta hide.
Why?
It's gotta hide.
Why are you hiding it? I'm recording. Why are you hiding it?
On my back.
Why?
I gotta hide it.
How come? Yeah, I see you. Are you ready to go somewhere? You got your purse? What's in your purse?
Food.
Food? Can I see?
No. It's my back.
It's behind your back?
Yep.
Why are you hiding your food? Where's food supposed to be?
On the refrigerator.
In the refrigerator? Can you put it back in the refrigerator? Or you want to take it somewhere? You want to take it with you? You want to go bye-bye?
It doesn't get out. I gotta eat it.
You're going to go somewhere with your food?
Yep. It's on my back. You don't take it away.
You put it behind your back so I won't take it away?
No.
Well, where's food supposed to be?
Shh.
Shh. Where's food supposed to be?
Shh.
Where did you get it from?
In the refrigerator.
Oh, okay.
I'm hiding it in my back.
You're hiding it behind your back?
Yep.
How come?
Just in my purse.
Oh, okay. So you ready to go bye-bye?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm ready to go. I'm just ready to go bye-bye.
Oh,
I
okay.
had it in my back.
Okay then.
You doesn't.
I see it.
You doesn't take it away.
Oh,
You
okay.
doesn't take it away. Be all gone. The bread will be dead.